Ready to transform visitors into valuable leads and paying customers with stunning, high-converting landing pages created effortlessly on System.io. Let's dive into creating your first high-converting landing page on System.io. Step-by-step first. Log into your System.io account from your dashboard. Navigate to the Funnel section in the left-hand menu. Click on Create New Funnel for this tutorial. We'll select the Build an Audience option, as it's perfect for lead generation. Give your funnel a name, something descriptive like free ebook download page, and then click Create. Now, you'll see a variety of pre-designed templates. Browse through them until you find one that resonates with your brand and the offer you're promoting. Click on a template to select it. This brings you into the System.io page editor. This is where the magic happens. You'll see your chosen template laid out. The beauty of System.io is its drag and drop functionality, no coding required. To edit text, simply click on any text element. A sidebar will appear, allowing you to change fonts, sizes, colors, and of course, the content. Make sure your headline is clear, benefit-driven, and grabs attention immediately. Want to add or change images? Click on the image element, and on the right sidebar, you can easily upload your own images or select from a library. High quality, relevant visuals are key to engagement. For lead generation, you'll need a Signup form. Click on the Forms section in the left-hand editing panel. Drag a form element onto your page. You can customize the fields to collect essential information, like email and name. Crucially, under the After Submission settings, choose where you want your leads to go. This could be a thank you page within your funnel or an external URL. This ensures a smooth user experience after they sign up. Once you're happy with your design and content, don't forget to save your progress. Then click the Publish button. System.io automatically generates a shareable URL for your new landing page. And there you have it. Your high-converting landing page is live, ready to attract leads and drive your business forward. Start building yours today.